Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into one of the most powerful and versatile function in Excel, the concatenate function. This function allows you to combine multiple text strings into one, making it incredibly useful for data manipulation and creating custom reports. Sometimes I notice people working on joining data that takes their hours and hours, but with concatenate function you can do it in seconds. So let's learn it.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
Basically, concatenate function helps us to join two or more strings of the text together. Before going to the practical example, let's first learn the syntax of the concatenate function. The syntax of the concatenate function states equal concatenate bracket start text1 comma text2 comma and so on, and then close the bracket. So we'll apply the concatenate function on this data. You can see that we have the first name, last name, and we want to join them to get the full name. So if you manually write it, it may take a lot of time. Think about if you have 50, 100 or even more entries and you have to manually join them. It will take you a lot of time. To save your time and energy, you can use this concatenate function that will do it in seconds. To apply this formula, I will write equal, then write concatenate, bracket start, select the first text and then comma and then the second text that I want to join. Then I will close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that the first and the last name is joined, but there is no space. So what if I need a space in between them? For this purpose, I have to make some changes in the formula. So I will go to the formula. After the first cell address comma, I will write space in inverted commas and then again comma and then I will press enter. Now you can see that we got the space between the first and the last name. To apply this formula on the whole sheet, you just simply have to drag it down. Now I would also like to share another method which is my favorite method of joining text string. The method actually uses the ampersand sign to join different text strings. To join it with this, I will write equal, then select the first cell. After this, I will write the ampersand sign, that is actually the and sign. Then I will write the next cell and then press OK. Now you can see that the names have been joined, but we need to add a space between them. To add a space between the names, I will write equal, the first name, then the ampersand sign. Now in inverted commas, I will write the space, again ampersand sign, and now the last name, and then you press enter. So now you can see that a space has been added in the first and last name. To apply it on the other names, I will drag it down. Remember, the concatenate function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to manipulate and combine text strings in countless ways. Whether you are creating custom reports, generating unique identifiers, or even building complex formulas, concatenate is your go-to function. With a little creativity, you can achieve remarkable results. That's all for today's tutorial on concatenate function in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to explore the possibilities of this amazing function. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.